Hi guys, welcome to another interesting video on my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Teresa, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you so much for subscribing. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make soja, so spend the day with me and let's go. This is my friend. She's the one who is going to teach us how to make soja. It is 7 a.m. in the morning and we are coming back from grinding the soya. Every day she makes 2 basins like the one she has on her head. She makes 2 of them every single day, and each in one pot. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming. This is me washing my hands so that we can start making the soya. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. The soja we are from grinding, we've added some of it inside this basket, and we are using the pink cloth as the sieve. So the more we mix, the more the milk drains. The remaining soja inside the basin, we'll add it gradually inside here.
C'est bon soja, c'est doux. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you. C'est togolais ça. C'est togolais, c'est togolais. You wanna say to me now? I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you. Yeah, how are you? Mon nom là c'est Décoré façon. Here she was telling me how nowadays the soya is so expensive. Before it used to be 700, but now it's between 1,000 and 1,200 safer. The first pot is ready. We have finished using the soya which was in the first bucket. So here she's making the fire so that it can start cooking. Her advice to anyone who wants to start this business is to start small, and the person should not give up even if the first day or the first week people don't buy. With time, people will get to know about the person, the location, and the business will boom.
This is the chaff gotten after sieving the milk. She's going to sell it to the people who keep chicken. The milk is now ready and she's removing some from the pot and putting it in the basin, but she'll later put it back inside the pot. It's now time to ferment the milk so that we can get the soja that we are going to fry later. The water she's using is gotten from fermented maize, so she adds it inside to ferment the milk so that we can get the soya we are going to fry later.
C'est pour Dieu qu'on va sortir, on va travailler, on va manger. Dieu va m'aider, il va faire tout. C'est pas mon force que j'ai fait.
So she's going to put the fermented soja here to sieve it.
Alléluia. Hey, je suis content là. Mon travail là, je suis content parce que je travaille. Hey, mon bureau là c'est décoré façon. Hey, je suis content. Hallelujah. Hey.
This is the final outcome after draining all the water from it, and we are now going to cut it into small pieces, how we are going to sell it later. The whole process has taken a total of 7 to 8 hours on average. In the morning she wakes up at around 3 a.m. to soak the soya inside water for 2 hours, and then around 6 a.m. it's when she goes to the mill to grind it. This is all the soja that she has been able to make today, and she makes this every day from Tuesday to Saturday, and she's able to sell all. So guys, it's in the afternoon and we are finally here to sell the soja. It's on the road from Enterprise Boligno. So this is where the place is, and it's before you get to Frigo Jejon. Frigo Jejon is over there, and she's before you get there when you're coming from Enterprise Boligno. she's able to sell all the soja that she makes every single day, and she is usually done selling between 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. So guys, if you're living around Vaposito area, please come and support her business. She's doing a really good job. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. Until the next one, bye.